after we settle the label, we also need to set the air compressor. So for now it's 0. And we need to connect the air compressor, the tube. Pull inside of the connector of the compressor. And we show the 0.5 now. After we set the label, now we can go to the touch screen. So we keep pressing the, we keep pressing the joint marking, which will make the label continually comes out. Which the reason we're doing this is to make sure the label is tightly strict, not like losing it. We need to mention that here is the platform, the age of the platform. And if our label come out this much, it's not okay for the machine. So how we gonna move the label exactly the same with the age? Then we press the single binding for one time, and the label come out. It's still like this. So for now, we need to move this sensor to adjust the position. Now this long for the label need to move back. So for the sensor, we need to unlock this part and move the sensor. And we just saw the label come out this much. We need to move it back. So we need to keep the same distance with the sensor. So we move the sensor a little bit, like the same distance with the label. Now it's settled. And we already moved the sensor. Now we need to press the single label again to check the distance. Yes, so now the label come out just as the same with the age. So now it's gonna work. Then the third step is to put the paddle, connect the paddle with the machine. This is the paddle, and this is where to connect it. So after we set the paddle, when we press the paddle, the label gonna come out. After we settle the label, the air compressor and the sensor and also the gap, now we need to do the test of the machine. We already set the parameter. 看一下这个的参数. We already set the parameter of this tube. And if you want the label come up a bit or going down a bit, there is a switch to rolling it. 再贴一个。